Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve, the service technician for Advanblack, and today I've got a very quick video for you. Today we're going to be releasing the contrast cut spike windscreen bolt. We do have them for the 14 and up street glide, and we also have them for the 15 and up road glides. So there's not a whole lot to these. Like I said, they are aluminum. They're going to be black and contrast cut. They will have a nut down at the bottom, which I'll show you when we actually put them on the bike over here in just a second. It's got like a little nut built into the bottom to help you secure them on. Your street glide kit's going to come with two short and one long. Of course, the long one goes in the center, and then your road glide is going to have the same bolt, two for each side. You're going to have a set of four on the road glide side. So quickly, we're going to go over here and install them on the road glide and then on the street glide, and it'll give you a chance to see what they look like actually on the bike. So I get this up in the camera so you can see it. This is the contrast cut windscreen bolt. Like I said, it does have the nut down at the bottom. It's going to be a 14 millimeter. It will come with a rubber washer on the backside to protect your windscreen as well. It's a very simple install. You're going to remove the two screws that you had securing your windscreen in. Simply put these in. Once you get them tightened down by hand, you can stick your 14 millimeter in there and give them a few extra turns to snug them down. Just be careful that you're not scratching your windscreen or over tightening this bolt. So make sure that you don't over torque these, because what happens then, you start over torquing this bolt and it can actually start pulling the brass grommet out of the plastic on the inside. That brass grommet is just pressed into that plastic. You want to do that with both, and then you have them installed. So there you have it. Like I said, super quick, easy install. We basically just want to put a video out there to let you know that we do have these on the market. As soon as the video is released for the first few days, it'll say get them here and there won't be a link. But they are available through our dealers for the first few days as soon as we release the video. So the day that we drop the video on YouTube, you can find a local Advanblack dealer and you can purchase them through them. If you wait a few days, there'll be a link down in the description. Like I said, depending on when you're watching this video, just scroll down to the description and see if there's a link. I'm gonna get out of here and get back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.